Open the water inlet cap. Add tap water to the junction of yellow and green. Close the water inlet cap. Connect the water cooler inlet L to the cutting machine outlet L. Connect the water cooler outlet L to the cutting machine inlet L. Connect the water cooler inlet H to the cutting machine outlet H. Connect the water cooler outlet H to the cutting machine inlet H. Connect the gas cylinder to the cutting machine shielding gas. Unscrew the gas cylinder valve and adjust the gas pressure to about 1 megapascal. Remove the 4 screws on the left side of the cutting machine. Install the computer stand. Remove the tray on the computer stand and fix the screws. Install the computer fixing plate and tray. Plug in the remote control antenna. Plug in the wireless mouse receiver. Plug in the network cable. Plug in the computer power cord. Fix the computer on the fixing plate. Put the remote control antenna on the computer fixing plate. Installation completed. Connect the power cord according to the voltage requirements and turn on the main switch. Turn on the water cooler switch. Wait for the water temperature to exceed 22 degrees centigrade. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Turn on the key switch. Press the clamp switch to open the clamp. Push the clamp open and put the plate in. Press the clamp switch again to clamp the clamp. Tighten the fixing clip to fix the clamp. When shutting down, turn off the laser switch first, then press the emergency stop switch. Then turn off the computer. Finally, turn off the main switch. Double-click the tool-cut head icon to open the software. Click CNC on the toolbar above. Click Return to Origin. Click Start Return to Origin. Wait for the system to return to origin. Click File. Click Open. Select the file to be kept. Click Common. Click Size. Enter the required size. Click OK. Drag the graphic into the cutting range. Move the cutting head to the required position. Adjust the cutting head to within 3 cm above the workpiece. Click CNC. Click Calibrate. Click Start Calibration. Wait for calibration to complete. Click Exit. Click Process Parameters to adjust the cutting machine parameters. Click OK. Click Start to start cutting.